Hey Jason, this is Melissa with Lady Boss Leads. I want to take a quick minute and shoot over that video as promised. So we're going to go through your website and do an audit and show you some things that are holding you back from getting on the top of the Google page and see what you can do today to bring the most value and start outranking your competitors online. So the first thing I want to talk about is content. So when someone searches for, say, home remodel Tampa, Florida, Google has what's called crawlers, and they crawl the internet searching and ranking those results. They're looking for keywords and what your site should be found for, like the services that you offer and what areas you serve. So pulled up your site here and it looks really great. I love the layout. It looks very professional. It's a call to action page right here. It doesn't look like it has a whole lot of content though. So you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your home page. And you want to use those keywords about 10 to 15 times. And that's really going to make a difference in you being found. So if we go and do a Google search for kitchen remodel Tampa. So all of these top listings are Google ads. So all these companies are paying per click. And that's a really good way if you need to get a lot of business right away. These leads come in through these Google ads super fast. And then the next set of listings is called the Map Pack. And these are all the companies that have a Google My Business page. And I'm not sure if you guys had one or not. I didn't see you on the first or second page. But some ways to help you rank this Google My Business page is you want to add at least 10 to 15 photos, and you want to save those photos with those keywords that we talked about, because photos also count as content in Google's eyes. And you want to have a minimum of 25 5-star reviews and add an About Me section, again, with all of that content, including those keywords. So if we scroll down a little bit further, these are called the organic listings. You also want to be in the first page of these so you're super easy to be found, ideally in the top 3. A lot of these listings are also called citations. This is any directory that your company name, phone number, and address is listed. Things like Home Advisor, Better Business Bureau, Angie's List, things like that. So it's super important for your company to be listed in those as well. Just remember that those leads that are coming in through those directories, you're sharing with all of those other contractors. When you get leads coming in directly through your website organically, you're not sharing those leads with anyone and they're coming exclusive to you. So let's take a look at this guy's website who's listed number 1 in the organics, Lynn Ross Remodeling. So when we go through his website, it looks nice as well. He has quite a bit of content, but I can tell you off the bat, it's really not enough content, and he would be super easy to beat out content-wise. So I use this program called Ahrefs. And it actually goes in and analyzes a website. So it tells you what they're doing on the back end and what we can do to beat them out, see what we're up against. So these numbers right here are called the UR rating and DR rating. This is what Google uses to really rank your website. So these numbers are super important. The UR rating is how much they trust your site, and the DR rating is how powerful your site is. And these numbers are typically raised by backlinks. So you're probably wondering what the heck a backlink is. A backlink is any website, article, or blog that's referring people back to your site, back to your website URL. They basically see it as a popularity contest. So the more people that are referencing your website URL, the more Google sees your site as being powerful, trustworthy. So if you look here, they have 186 backlinks coming from 78 referring domains. And of those domains, they have 51 that are coming from super powerful sites. And I just wanted to note that all backlinks are not created equal. So you want to make sure when you grab some backlinks, they're coming from powerful sites. If you grab them from super spammy sites that have no relevance to what you're trying to be found for, it's really going to do no good for you, and it can actually have a negative impact. So they have 511 keywords, and they're bringing in 549 people to their site per month. Let's take a look and see what keywords they have. So this column right here, the volume column, this is how many times these specific keywords are being searched per month according to Google. So kitchen remodeling Tampa is being searched 300 times a month. Kitchen remodel Tampa 200 times a month. Home remodeling Tampa 90 times a month. Local bathroom remodelers 500 times a month. That's not as important because that's going to be a national keyword. So you really want to try and get those local keywords so you can beat out all of your local competitors. So remodel Tampa 50 times. You can see the gist. When we go and pull up your site in here, your UR rating is actually really good. And your DR rating is a little bit low, but you actually have a bunch of backlinks, 374 coming from 58 referring domains. 21 of those are coming from really good sites. So that's great. You're well on your way to ranking your site a lot better and trying to beat out those competitors, get some more traffic coming in. You have 340 keywords and you have 90 people visiting your site per month. So you're really in good shape, and I don't think it would take a lot for you to implement some of these strategies and really start ranking better and beating out that competition. I hope you found this helpful and you can implement some of these strategies, and please feel free to reach out if you have any questions at all. I look forward to speaking to you soon. Have a great night.